Imagine if Elon Musk wasn't just about electric cars, but about redefining the entire automotive world. What if the next Tesla engine isn't just an upgrade, but a revolution? Tesla already stunned the world with its battery technology and self-driving AI, but this new engine could completely change what an electric car can do. Rumors suggest it might not just make cars faster, it could stretch their range, boost efficiency, and give competitors nightmares. The real question is this Musk's secret weapon to dominate the EV industry for the next decade? The answers, hidden behind this new engine, are so surprising that if you miss them, you might never fully understand the EV revolution that's coming. Elon Musk's story is extraordinary. When he started Tesla, people laughed. Electric cars were considered impractical, even ridiculous. But Musk saw a future no one else did. Today, Tesla is the world's largest EV company, and Musk is recognized as one of the most innovative leaders alive. Tesla didn't just make cars, it shook an entire industry. They advanced battery technology faster than anyone imagined, and added AI to create cars that can almost drive themselves. And now, whispers of a new engine are spreading, a motor that could make EVs not just competitive, but untouchable. This new Tesla engine is said to be unlike anything currently on the road. Reports claim it uses a permanent magnet and a new flux design, making it far more efficient than today's motors. The result? More power with less energy, higher speeds, and longer distances without draining the battery. Even better, Tesla plans to manufacture it in-house at its gigafactories, reducing costs and controlling the entire supply chain. Early leaks suggest it may debut in the Cybertruck and next-generation Model 3. If this engine performs as expected, it could be a game-changer for the EV industry. So, what makes this engine special? Let's start with torque. Electric cars already deliver incredible acceleration, but this new motor is reportedly designed to give even more torque while using less energy. Imagine pressing the accelerator and the car surging forward almost instantaneously, effortlessly. Range is another breakthrough. Range anxiety has long been a barrier to EV adoption, but the engine's efficiency could extend the Model 3 from today's 500 to 600 kilometers per charge to an astonishing 700 to 800 kilometers. High-speed driving, which usually drains batteries quickly and heats motors, will reportedly remain smooth and consistent. Thanks to advanced cooling technology and flux design, Tesla is also reducing reliance on rare earth materials. While many companies depend on expensive, imported magnets, this new engine minimizes their use, lowering cost and easing supply chain pressures. And the benefits don't stop there. Lower heat means longer lifespan and reduced maintenance, creating a win-win for both Tesla and its customers. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a revolution in how electric motors can perform. A key reason Tesla stays ahead is its approach to the battery and motor as a single, integrated system. The 4680 battery already stores more energy in a smaller space, charges faster, and delivers more power. Combine it with the new motor, and Tesla could create a killer combo that other automakers simply can't match. Competitors like Toyota, Honda, and BYD either focus on one element or lag behind entirely in motor innovation. Tesla's advantage is clear: battery and engine optimized together for maximum performance. But innovation is only half the battle. Production and affordability are what truly separate Tesla from its rivals. Tesla's gigafactories in the US, Germany, China, and Mexico allow them to mass-produce batteries and motors efficiently. Reports indicate this new engine will be produced at these same facilities, keeping costs low and enabling Tesla to bring high-range, affordable EVs like the upcoming Model 2 to market. Imagine a car that runs 600 to 700 kilometers on a single charge for around $25,000. How could competitors compete with that? The implications for the global EV industry are massive. Companies like BYD excel at affordable EVs, but fall behind in motor technology. Toyota and Honda are just beginning to catch up. Tesla's new engine could leave them scrambling to invest billions or buy technology they can't yet replicate. Government policies may also shift in Tesla's favor. Efficient, high-range, affordable EVs accelerate the transition away from fossil fuels, meaning subsidies and support could further strengthen Tesla's dominance worldwide. For customers, the advantages are tangible. Longer range means fewer stops to charge. Smoother acceleration makes driving fun and effortless. Reduced heat and higher durability, lower maintenance costs, and increase reliability. And because this technology is cutting-edge, buyers of Tesla's new engine cars will enjoy a vehicle that remains competitive for years, future-proofing their investment. Looking ahead, Tesla isn't stopping at passenger cars. The new engine could power the semi-truck, the Cybertruck, and robotaxis that drive autonomously day and night. But its potential stretches beyond cars. Imagine electric aircraft with lighter, more efficient motors, or large ships powered without fossil fuels. Even the Hyperloop and SpaceX projects could benefit from this technology, enabling high efficiency and sustainable power in ways previously thought impossible. Tesla's new engine could redefine transportation across the globe. The coming decade will be decisive. Tesla's engine, combined with batteries and AI, could cement the company at the top of the EV market, forcing competitors to either invest billions or adopt Tesla technology under license. Governments pursuing net zero emissions goals could further accelerate Tesla's dominance, rewarding efficiency and innovation with incentives and policy support. What starts with cars could ripple across trucks, buses, ships, and even aircraft, signaling the gradual end of fossil fuel dependency. So, will Elon Musk's new Tesla engine leave everyone behind? The evidence points strongly in that direction. This isn't just the next step for Tesla, it's potentially the foundation of a new era in transportation. If the reports are accurate, what Musk is building now could change the way the world moves. For decades to come, what do you think about Tesla's new engine? Will it dominate the EV industry, or will competitors catch up? Comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more exclusive insights and explosive updates. Tesla's journey has always been about seeing the future before anyone else. Musk didn't just create electric cars, he transformed them from a joke to a serious business. People once doubted that batteries could store enough energy or that EVs could compete with petrol cars. Yet Tesla changed everything. They introduced cutting-edge batteries, self-driving AI, and sleek high-performance vehicles. And now, a new engine might push Tesla far beyond what anyone imagined, making other automakers scramble to catch up. The new engine is rumored to use a permanent magnet, with an innovative flux design. This could allow more power output with less electricity. Simply put, it's like giving your car the strength of a high-performance sports engine without draining the battery. Tests are reportedly ongoing in prototypes like the Cybertruck and next generation Model 3, and Tesla is keeping development so secretive that even some old engineers haven't seen the full plans. Musk knows the stakes other companies would copy this instantly if they could. Efficiency is the heart of this new engine. Electric cars already outperform petrol cars in torque, giving lightning-fast acceleration. But Tesla's next-generation motor could amplify that while consuming even less power. Range anxiety, a major barrier for EV adoption, could be virtually eliminated. Today, a Tesla Model 3 can travel 500 to 600 kilometers on a single charge. This engine might push that to 700 to 800 kilometers. High-speed driving, which normally drains the battery, may become smoother and more consistent thanks to advanced cooling and innovative flux design. Tesla is also reducing reliance on rare earth materials. Most companies depend on expensive magnets imported from China. Tesla's design reportedly uses fewer rare materials, reducing cost and supply chain risks. Less heat, more power, lower maintenance, it's a combination that benefits both Tesla and the customer. This isn't just an evolution of EV technology, it's a leap forward. Tesla's biggest advantage is thinking of the battery and motor as a single system. The 4680 battery, already revolutionary, stores more energy in less space and charges faster, Pair it with this new motor, and you get a synergy that other automakers struggle to replicate. Competitors may have strong batteries or powerful motors, but rarely both in harmony. Tesla's strategy isn't just about performance, it's about creating a holistic, superior driving experience. The production side is just as crucial. Tesla's gigafactories allow massive in-house production of batteries and motors. By producing this engine in the same facilities, Tesla can keep costs low while scaling production. This opens the door for more affordable EVs, including the anticipated Model 2. Imagine a vehicle capable of 600 to 700 kilometers per charge for $25,000, $30,000. The ripple effect across the market could be enormous. Competitors will feel the pressure. BYD excels in batteries and affordability, but lags in motor innovation. Toyota and Honda have EV ambitions, but they're far behind in performance and integration. Tesla's new engine could force them to invest billions just to keep pace. Government incentives and policies may also increasingly favor Tesla, as higher-range, efficient EVs accelerate the transition to net zero emissions. Customers stand to gain the most: longer range, smoother acceleration, less maintenance, and cutting. Imagine what if Elon Musk is not limited to just electric cars, and now brings a new engine that shakes the foundation of the entire EV industry. Yes, the technology we are going to talk about today is not just an upgrade. It can be the beginning of a revolution. Tesla had already surprised the world with its battery and software. But now, Musk's engine is going to change the definition of automobile. It is being said that this engine motor will not only make electric cars more powerful, but will also take their speed, range, and efficiency to a level where other companies are only dreaming of reaching. The question is this the same secret with which Musk wants to always remain on top in the EV market? And will this engine make Tesla invincible for the next 10 years? The truth hidden behind this engine is so surprising that if you miss it, then perhaps you will not be able to understand the coming EV revolution. So stay connected till the end of this video, because the information we are going to give you will change your entire perspective about EVs. And before moving on to the video, subscribe to the channel so that you can be the first to see such amazing videos. Just imagine a person who first turned electric cars from a joke to a serious business, then took the world several years ahead in battery technology. And now, the same person, Elon Musk, is working on a new engine whose power has given sleepless nights to the entire EV industry. Yes, this is the same Elon Musk who has a big game plan behind every step. When he started Tesla, the world was laughing. People used to say, electric cars can never match petrol cars. But in just a few years, Musk silenced everyone. Today, Tesla is the world's largest EV company, and Elon Musk is counted among the richest and most innovative people in the world. Tesla did not just make cars, but shook an entire industry. He advanced battery technology so much that other companies are still trying to catch up. Then he put AI, i.e., artificial intelligence, in his cars, in such a way that today, Tesla's cars have learned to drive themselves. And now, the news is that Elon Musk is making a new engine which is not just an electric motor, but a technology that can help EVs run faster, more powerful, and for even longer distances. Now the question is, will this new engine really change the EV industry? Will this engine take Tesla years ahead of all other companies? Is this the same secret weapon due to which Musk always stays ahead? These are the things that are forcing the whole world to think today. Now let's understand what this secret plan of Elon Musk is. A big quality of Elon Musk is that he always thinks ahead. While other companies are busy solving today's problems, Musk works with a vision of 5 to 10 years ahead. When all companies were talking about battery size and charging time, Musk had already created technology like 4680 cell, which gives more power in a small battery. And when everyone saw EV motors as just a part, Musk made it the soul of the entire car. Now the news that is coming is saying that Tesla is making an engine that will be many times more efficient than the existing electric motors. Some reports are also saying that this engine is based on permanent magnet and new flux design, which will give more power in less electricity. That is, your car will be able to go far by spending less battery, will run faster, and will not heat up. And the biggest thing, Tesla will also manufacture it itself in its gigafactories, which will also reduce the cost. But Musk has not yet officially launched this engine. They are keeping it in testing, and it is being tested in many Tesla cars. Some leaked reports say that this new engine is being fitted in Cybertruck and the next generation Model 3. And if this engine really succeeds, it will be a game-changer for the entire EV industry. Elon Musk's plan is so secret that even some of Tesla's old engineers have not been given complete information. This is because Musk is afraid that other companies may copy it. This is the reason why he always tests it first, then gradually brings it in front of everyone. Just like he launched the 4680 battery and full self-driving AI system. What is the real power of the new engine? Whenever we hear the name engine, a petrol or diesel engine immediately comes to mind, making noise, emitting smoke. But Tesla's new engine is completely different. This is not a conventional engine, but an electric drive unit which has been made even more powerful and efficient. And this is the real strength of this engine. First of all, let's talk about torque. Electric cars give more torque than petrol cars, which means they are very fast in pickup and gaining speed. But this new engine of Tesla has been specially designed so that it can give more torque by consuming less power. This means that when you press the accelerator, the car will gain speed in a blink of an eye. This is the reason why Tesla already reaches 0 to 100 km/h in just a few seconds. And this new engine can make that acceleration even more smooth and fast. Now comes the matter of long range. The biggest problem of today's EVs is range anxiety. That is, people are afraid that the battery may run out midway. Tesla is already leading in battery technology, but the design of this new engine will reduce the burden on the battery. Its efficiency is so good that the car will run more kilometers with less electricity. This simply means if today Tesla Model 3 runs 500 to 600 kilometers on a single charge, then the new engine can take the same car up to 700 to 800 kilometers. The third biggest strength is fast acceleration and high speed. Electric motors anyway reach high RPM rotations per minute. But often at high speed, the battery starts to drain quickly and the motor starts heating up. Tesla's new engine uses flux design and permanent magnet technology, which makes the motor more efficient even at high speed. That is, the car can run continuously at high speed without jerking, and the battery will not run out as quickly. Now, if we compare it with traditional EV motors, the difference is clearly visible. Today, most companies use simple induction motors or basic permanent magnet motors. These motors either provide more power, but the battery runs out quickly, or the power reduces when the battery is saved. Tesla's new engine is the best combination of both. High power plus high efficiency. Another big difference is the cooling system. Traditional EV motors have trouble running at high performance continuously because they heat up quickly. But Tesla's new engine is equipped with advanced cooling technology, which allows it to provide power for a long time without stopping. This is especially important for large vehicles like Cybertruck and Tesla Semi. If you want to understand it in simpler terms, then think like this. The old EV motor is like an ordinary fan which works but gets hot when run for a long time and consumes more electricity. On the other hand, Tesla's new engine is like the motor of a premium air conditioner which works more and for a longer time with less power without getting heated. Apart from this, Tesla is also becoming less dependent on rare earth materials to make this engine. This means that while the motors of other companies depend on expensive rare earth magnets coming from China, Tesla is making its design in such a way that less rare earth material is used. This will also reduce the price and reduce the pressure on the supply chain. And the most interesting thing, this engine will not only increase the speed and range, but will also reduce the maintenance cost of the car. Electric motors require less service anyway. But if the motor does not heat up too much, gives more power, and lasts longer, then there are only benefits for the user. So, it is clear that Tesla's new engine is not just a technology upgrade, but a big blow to the EV industry. If this engine really works the way the reports are saying, then it will take EVs to new heights. Just like turbochargers and diesel common rail systems played a big role in the world of petrol and diesel engines. Tesla's new engine can play the same role in the world of EVs. And this is the reason why other auto companies of the world, like BYD, Toyota, and Honda, are now scared because they know that if this engine is launched, then Tesla will again dominate everyone for at least 5 to 6 years. Relationship between battery and engine. The heart of any electric vehicle is its battery, and the brain is its engine motor. The thing that makes Tesla special is that it pays equal attention to both things. Till now, most companies were either focusing more on the battery or just making the motor a little more powerful. But Tesla's approach is different. Musk always sees the battery and engine as a combination where both work together and take the vehicle to a whole new level. Tesla is already famous for its 4680 battery cell. This battery is small, but it can store more energy and charges quickly.